Hello guys, welcome back. Follow and watch how I cook this simple okra soup recipe. I added in some vegetable oil, onion, seasoning, salt, tomato that I blended. I give it a quick stir and I'll add in pepper, crayfish, covered, cook it for like 10 minutes. So here is it cooking. I added in my meat and my stockfish that I have inside my freezer. Guys, I told you it's a quick one, and I prepped the okra. I will leave the link up that I used to prep the okra so you see how I got it done. So I'll cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes. So here is it guys. I will add in my okra. I'll give it a good stir. If you are new to the channel, follow me for more amazing videos. Subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notification and be a member of our family. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I have the same name as well. So I stirred and I added some crayfish, more salt. I added just a slime of water. My return is thank you for always returning. I appreciate your love and support. Keep returning, keep commenting, keep sharing, and keep coming back. God bless you all. So guys, I like to cook for 5 minutes. Here it is ready with any swell of your choice. Bye.